Dear profession colleagues, today India is harnessing the change with a clear vision to build Bharat 2.0, setting global benchmarks through bold policy reforms that drive us to Viksit Bharat 2047 and reaffirm our place as the fastest growing economy in the world. A new wave of legislative reforms reflects India's resolve to modernize its financial system, enhance accountability, and protect the interests of citizens. A shining example is the next Gen GST reforms, simplifying system through two slab structure of 5% and 18% and reducing rates on essentials, healthcare and farm equipment. These measures will ease household expenses, enhance purchasing power, strengthen MSMEs and support the common man. On the direct tax front, the new Income Tax Act provides concise and transparent statute, reducing redundancy with retained policy stability. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amended Bill 2025 is a milestone accelerating corporate and group insolvency resolutions, clarifying key definitions and strengthening creditor rights, ensuring speedy and fair outcomes. These efforts reflect an India that is not just meeting immediate needs, but laying the foundation of a people-centric, future-ready economy. At this defining moment of India's reform journey, our profession stands at the forefront, translating visionary policies into tangible outcomes and ensuring that the fruits of change reach every section of society. Let us now turn to see key developments at the Institute since our last communication. Friends, I am happy to share that ICAI has opened the registrations for our landmark event, the World Forum of Accountants, commonly known as WOFA 2.0, to be held on the theme Nation Building to Global Collaboration, Strengthening Trust, Enabling Growth, from 30th January to 1st February 2026 at the India Expo Center and Mart, Greater Noida, Delhi NCR. This platform will enable us to explore emerging trends, shape the future of our profession and reinforce India's global leadership. Those who have attended WOFA, GLOPAC or WOFA are already familiar with the immense knowledge and networking opportunities these global events offer. This is yet another opportunity you won't want to miss. I would also like to share that ICAI is providing early bird discount at this stage. You can book your seats at the link appearing on the screen. Recognizing the borderless nature of India's economy, ICAI has rolled out several key initiatives to strengthen the global presence of Indian Chartered Accountants. We launched the first batch of the certificate course on overseas outsourcing services for the UK on 8 September 2025 to help our professionals understand the UK's regulatory and financial landscape and tap outsourcing opportunities under the India-UK FTA. The second GCC Summit, organized on 29th and 30th August 2025, aimed to position India as an accounting GCC hub with 38 plus speakers, 11 sessions and 800 participants. The summit was inaugurated by Shri Kalyana Raman Raja Raman, Chairperson IFSCA. We also conducted the second edition of the ITEC Professional Training Program from 15 to 26 September with an objective to reinforce India's role in capacity building, knowledge transfer and empower developing nations. The program hosted 29 international delegates from 17 countries under the aegis of the Ministry of External Affairs. On 29 September, ICAI has also launched ICAI Global Week 2025. The event featured sessions on diverse internationally relevant themes and served as a platform for thought leadership, professional development, and cross-border collaboration. Friends, ICAI is proud to announce ICAI 40 Under 40 CA Business Leader Awards to honor the remarkable contributions and inspire young members who are making a significant impact. The last date for submission of nomination is 30th October 2025, and I urge all our promising young leaders to nominate themselves or put forward their deserving peers for this prestigious honor. I am pleased to inform you that ICAI has successfully completed 100 impactful sessions focusing on promoting work-life balance. This journey has now been honored with dual recognition, that is, Asia Book of Records and the India Book of Records. This historic achievement reflects our aspiration to foster a culture where professional excellence is harmonized with personal well-being. As part of ICAI's globalization strategy, meetings were held with global organizations during September 2025 to further strengthen the Institute's outreach and collaborations. In Canada, I interacted with CPA President and CPA Ontario leadership on exploring deeper collaborations. During the discussions, I extended invitations for WOFA 2.0. I also met the acting Consulate General of India in Toronto to explore ways of enhancing the brand value of the Indian Chartered Accountants in Canada. On 16 September, I, along with the Vice President, attended the 89th SAFA board meeting, which focused on AI, fintech, and sustainability. During the visit, we also met the High Commissioner of India to Sri Lanka. The meeting focused on strengthening economic and developmental cooperation between the two countries. I also had the privilege to address CMA Sri Lanka's Silver Jubilee Conference on artificial intelligence and the impact on PAOs. In Australia, on 23rd September 2025, I engaged with CPA Australia to build pathways for professional mobility and also attended ECTA Unleashed India-Australia Trade Conference conducted by CPA Australia jointly with ICAI Sydney chapter. At the conference, I highlighted the profession's role in driving sustained growth in the Australia-India relationship. I also interacted with the managing committee members of ICAI Sydney Australia chapter. Moreover, I attended second edition of Business Leaders Forum hosted by ICAI Singapore chapter under the aegis of ICAI's Committee for Members in Industry and Businesses Singapore. At the event, I, along with guest of honor, C. Suresh Prabhu, Honorable former Union Minister, Government of India, and Mr. James Lee, Global Head of International Banking, Standard Chartered Bank, addressed the participants. The forum featured discussions on global trade, AI, fintech, and ESG amid the evolving financial landscape. Under the strategic collaborations on 3rd September 2025, ICAI signed an MOU with the Mahatma Gandhi State Institute of Public Administration, Punjab, to enhance citizen-centric governance by providing training to government officials in ASLBs, GST, IT-related auditing, and related areas. Further, ICAI signed an MOU with the Department of MSME, Government of Uttar Pradesh on 17 September 2025 in the august presence of Honorable CM Shri Yogi Adityanath Ji and Honorable Minister Shri Rakesh Sachan Ji to strengthen the MSME sector through capacity building. Friends, the ICAI has issued October 2025 edition of the Chartered Accountant Journal on the theme Internal Audit and Ethics, Enabling Trust and Transparency in the Digital Age. It highlights the crucial role that ethics play in strengthening the internal audit function and promoting trust in an era where digital transformation is reshaping businesses. Additionally, the journal touches upon areas of direct tax, indirect tax, accounting standards, financial market, commercial laws, digital finance, leadership, sustainability, technology, and economy. Our nation stands at the threshold of transformative change. By choosing this profession, we embrace not just right or wrong decisions, but a higher standard of ethics. I would also like to wish you and your family a joyous Diwali. May the festival of lights brighten your life with happiness, prosperity and endless opportunities. अपने हौसलों को ये खबर करते रहो, जिंदगी मंजिल नहीं है, सफर है, चलते रहो. Thank you so much.